And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, as this early spring winter storm continues to drag further towards the east-southeast this morning, here's your latest snowfall totals. Catching just about 7.2 inches here at the station. Another report in Lafayette, 8.1 inches. Just getting one in from Veedersburg, 9.8 inches. We had 9.5 inches so far in Frankfort, and we could be seeing an additional inch to 2 inches throughout the remainder of the day. Temperatures right now sitting right around 28 degrees. Winds are sustained right around 8 miles per hour, and those winds are relatively calm compared to what we could be seeing throughout the remainder of our morning and afternoon. We could be looking at wind gusts as high as 30 miles per hour, which could make for very hazardous road conditions out there. The roads are already slick, even though the plows are out, but once we get those wind gusts up near 30 miles per hour at times, blowing and drifting snow will just come right back on the roadways, and that will make for those very slick road conditions. So please remember to just drive safely over the next few hours. Here's your winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories. The advisories, Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, and Fulton counties, those will come to an end this morning. We're also looking at various different times during the morning into the early afternoon hours for our winter storm warnings. Everybody else in pink, your winter storm warnings. This is where we're expecting heavier snow and some stronger wind gusts as well. And like I mentioned, an additional 1 to 2 inches not out of the question throughout the morning and early afternoon hours today. Here's your latest look at that storm in question. It looks like the heaviest snowfall now falling is in Pulaski and Fulton counties. Now, as a whole, this system is moving very slowly towards the southeast, and you can see the northern part of it now beginning to break up at least a little bit, and that part of the system will begin to drag further off to the southeast as well. Notice we're seeing some deterioration on the back end of this system, and once it drags further towards the southeast over the next few hours, we'll begin to see that steady snowfall come to an end, but that doesn't mean that we're going to be seeing the end of this snow. Isolated and scattered snowfall certainly not out of the question throughout the remainder of our afternoon. Check out your futurecast here. It looks like the majority of that steady snow will come to an end during your evening commute, or at least by your evening commute, but still a few more isolated snow showers possible overnight tonight. We'll hit 34 degrees here in Lafayette today before dropping to 29 overnight tonight. Not a whole lot of fluctuation in temperatures, but we once again look at the possibility of some isolated snow during the next 24 to 48 hours tomorrow as well, but we begin to clear on up. High pressure moves in for Wednesday. That will allow us to clear up by Wednesday afternoon into Thursday. 35 degrees your high temperature tomorrow, with that slight chance of scattered snow continuing. Breezy conditions will also continue with wind gusts up near 15 on Tuesday. The good news, folks, we warm up. 40 degrees for your high temperature on Wednesday. We'll hit 48 on Thursday. Friday looking to be about 50 degrees. We're expected to hit 52 on Saturday and even 55 by Sunday afternoon with some rain showers moving in. It looks like temperatures could actually be staying warm as well as we get towards Monday of next week on top of that.
Well, that warm-up will certainly help with getting rid of all this snow we're going to see today.
Yeah, well, you know, the thing is that even with the warm-up, we could also be looking at some local flooding as well with all the snow melt on top of that. So that's something we're going to keep our eyes on as well. But altogether, at least it looks like the spring-like temperatures will be returning.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Cameron.